This is our town, Pere de Ribes. This is our secondary school, Camp Puig. At the end of the corridor we have a room where professional formation of administrative management is taught. This is our business, BINARI SAS. And these are some of our products. Pere de Ribes is located in the Grau, situated in the natural region surrounded by vines at the foot of the Montgros mountain. The products the BINARI SAS business offers come from this region, medicinal plants and natural dietary products. From 25 years ago, Camp Puig offers secondary education to all the young people of the town. The natural region has its rhythm, but Camp Puig, like all secondary schools, has a very distinct rhythm. At Camp Puig we have 500 students and 60 teachers. At Camp Puig we have 4 years of secondary education, as well as the humanistic, social, technologic and scientific baccalaureate, as well as the professional formation of administrative management. We have 20 students who study professional formation, and they work in different areas of business management. They work with financial products, accounting, IT and others. To know how a real business works, we have created a virtual business, where the students experiment with different elements of the business world.
It all began because we decided to incorporate a business model into our professional training. We hired the services of the Inform Foundation, who are the ones who do the business model, and from that point on, we've been working on part of the content of the training via the business model. It's a company that functions exactly the same as if it was a real one, but it's just a simulation. In other words, there's no product. We just do the paperwork so that the people can learn how a company works, but it's all identical to what takes place in reality.
La nostra organització, l'empresa, està organitzada en 5 departaments.
Our business is organized in 5 departments: reception, human resources, treasury, economic department, and marketing.
El departament de tresoreria està situat aquí al fons, el de comptabilitat i el departament de comercial.
How does reception work? We call other companies to arrange visits, and we also send bills and delivery notes to the finance department.
¿Dónde están las visitas?
What do you do in personnel department? We check on attendance, we do salary slips, and we calculate our employees' income tax.
departament de comptabilitat fem tot allò que és comptabilitzar, per exemple.
In accounts, we work out employees' salaries and the bills that we send or receive.
Que emetem o que rebem i...
El importe total de nóminas, que es el número de percibir relativo al trabajo sumado, el importe total de cuotas del trabajador, el total de los 5 trabajadores sumadas también, y el importe total de cuotas de empresario. ¿Bueno? Sí, no sé si...
Finance deals with payments and receipts, and sales is in charge of purchasing sales and the warehouse.
BINARI SAS are simulated business of natural products that is formed of students and teachers, but needs to interact with other simulated businesses. In Spain, we have more than 300 simulated businesses, managed by the Inform Foundation that is situated near our secondary school in Sant Pere de Ribes and works as the official organisms like social securities. As well as this, our professional formation class invites professionals from the business world to give us talks.
We're a team of 18 people. There's many of us that are working together, and Francisco, who is going to talk to you today, is specialized in human resources and coaching.
One of the activities of this year is BINARI SAS presentation to the International Fair of Simulated Businesses in Barcelona.
For the fair, and so that the people see how this works in the real world, we've put together a catalogue with all the company references, and the people have prepared a price list.
Han hagut de fer una escaleta preus. Tenim 3 línies de productes.
We've got 3 product lines. First one is medicinal plants, another one is the dietary products, and the third one, the natural fragrances.
The preparation for this fair has made the students work in a team, as they will find when they enter the real business world. The simulated business permits this teamwork to be performed daily. We have a product. We have a business, BINARI SAS. We have a professional formation of administrative management. We have a secondary school, Puig. We have a village, Sant Pere de Ribes.